just stopping on the roadside to get a little bit of firewood for tonight. Love having a campfire. Excellent, and good hardwood by the looks of it. Nice and dry. Must get Mildred put on the front of this caravan. Get rid of Millard. The original owners no longer own it, and they don't make anything like our little caravan. So yeah, we're so lucky. She's 11 years old, but going strong, isn't she, darling?
Very. Considering what we put her through.
Yeah, that's at Gibbo, and we're going to the pub because there's markets on today, and I'm really keen to get some infused olive oils and dukkha. Anyway, hopefully they'll have some pretty cool things for us to take back home. This place is known for Sir George, the pub, but there's also wine cellar and this pantry, which is really nice for breakfast and lunch. We are at Sir George, where the markets are. Awesome. Road from the pub, the Sir George, you can camp. There's an oval in there. We've done that before and had a fantastic night, and just yeah, walk back to camp. How pretty is this? We're just coming into Lake Bathurst. Oh, these autumn colours, stunning. With the sun on the trees. We're now just coming through the little town of Tarago. Like a fantastic pub on the corner. Anyway, we're just passing through. So we've just hit the dirt, and yeah, this goes for quite a while. To take us to our campsite for tonight. We're hoping we can find a nice spot. So this is our camp for tonight. We are at a place called Stewarts Crossing, and there are a few people here, but they're sort of spaced out enough. But look at that down there. Wish we'd gotten here earlier now. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Closest people are just over there. And we have wedged ourselves just in here. For happy hour, and we're just going to have our leftover rice paper wraps from last night, and from Gibbo, sorry, I ended up buying a dark ale to try from Tumut Brewery. Yeah, this is pretty good. We'll get our fire going shortly. Yep. Having a late lunch.
I think we're going to need it.
I think so too. So happy to be away. And I've got to say, if you get down to Tumut, buy that dark ale, it's delicious. Now, Stevie, whereabouts are we? Oh, he just took a mouthful. I always do this to him.
Always.
Yeah. So to sort of describe where we've ended up.
Halfway between Braidwood and Goulburn, Murrumbidgee.
Yeah, right. And it's
at Stewarts Crossing.
Yeah, Stewarts Crossing. And it was a lovely drive out, wasn't it?
Beautiful.
When you go through a little town of Tarago.
Tarago, yeah.
That has some very historic buildings, and Lake Bathurst was beautiful. Yeah. Anyway, let's see what tonight brings. Okay, so tonight I'm going to do a special little dessert. It's going to be a chocolate and banana strudel, and I've got a block of Cadbury chocolate. I've sliced up banana and I've put walnuts on top, and I've cut puff pastry like this. Now I'm going to fold it up. Okay, so this is how you do it. So you get the idea. It's my little strudel. Now I'm going to put this actually in an alfoil tray. I think it's probably going to make a mess. Planning to actually cook it in the camp oven. Whoops, stay there, little guy. Like this. And I've got dollop cream to go on top. Just put that one like that. Now I'm just going to pop it in this tray. Come on, chocolate. That I've sprayed, and then I'll just spray a little bit of this on top too. Like that, and then we'll bake it. Fingers crossed. Steve's is getting our camp oven out, and I've just prepped the rest of this evening's food, and we're going to do Scotch fillet. We've got a mushroom that is not poisonous with garlic and cheese, and yeah, easy peasy. And then I hope that turns out all right. So what you got there, Stevie?
Some Gurumara Australian extra infused olive oil with some chilli and garlic.
Yeah, we got that from Rutherglen. And I think I need to put a little order in, get some more. It's delicious. So tonight we're just doing some veggies, one mushroom, one non-poisonous mushroom, a little bit of garlic and cheese. Yeah, no, you'll live. Broccolini and some capsicum, our favourite. Such an easy dinner, and we've got some Scotch fillet to pop on there too. So there you go, that's our Scotch fillet. Looking amazing. How much is the marbling, darling?
Oh, the marble score of 6 at least.
Fantastic. This is pretty much the easiest camp meal that we do. And yep, that's going to fill our bellies. Wacky-doo, that's our dinner tonight. Pretty easy barbecue. Yummo. So time for dessert. Trick will be not to burn it. We've got it on the trivet. That's so important in your camp oven. Look at that. And so we'll put coals thinly on the bottom.
Yeah, and we'll put woolies on the top.
These guys are down on the river and they're playing charades. So he's milking a cow or something.
He's playing puppetry of the shadows.
It's been like 40 minutes. Time flies when you're having fun. That went so quick.
It certainly does.
And we can see steam coming from the side. Oh, she's ready. Oh, just in time. How good does that look? So we're going to have a quarter. I'm so excited about this. How cool is that? For those that love chocolate, and it's got banana and walnuts. Sensational. Doing a good job, Stevie. I'll just get that scallop cream ready. Oh yeah. Fantastic. How does that look? Let's have a look. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Do you want to dollop some cream or you want to hold this and... Yes, you do.
I do.
Okay.
You dollop.
A big dollop of cream. Yum. Beautiful. That person gets the extra cream. Who will that be? Yum. Anyway, do yourself a favour. Try that recipe. That's so good.
And what do we always say?
Oh, bon appetit. And that was sensational. I think next time I try it, I'm going to maybe substitute raspberries instead of the banana. But I did like the banana. That was really good. But I might just try the raspberries with it. How good would that be? Anyway, I think that's good night from me.
And good night from him.
Yeah, we're just going to watch the moon rise a little bit more and then go to bed. Or are we? Fog this morning, just going cautiously in case the roos jump out, but I know this is going to burn off and we're going to have a spectacular blue sky day.